All right, I got some suggestions from It's Too Loud, so I'll go ahead and uninstall EUCON again. Why not? I've done it like 10 times in the last 2 days. Okay, I trashed all my preferences, which is going to really hurt and suck because it means I got to go back and recreate all this all over again. But um, here is the latest version of EUCON. I will reinstall it now. And it's doing its thing over here. Blah, 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 blah. Next. Oh, yeah. Go on. I agree. Take all my money. And we're going to reinstall S1. There it goes. Bingo, says you're done. I'll restart my system in a second. Why not? I'll shut everything, unpower everything, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, everything is off. Everything is off. All off. USB hub is off. All my interface stuff is off. Main power is off. Everything down here is off. And now I'm going to turn on the S1, the dock, the interface, main power, all my USB hub stuff, and bring this thing back to life and see what happens next. All right. Everything was shut down and bringing everything back to life. Give a second for everything to load up here, and then we'll. There we go. What do you know? There's my EUCON. EUCON, UCON, whatever you want to call it. All right. I'm going to remove everything again. Let's start fresh. It always takes a few seconds for everything to repopulate, but it finds it all. All right, so the dock, this. Oh, I may want to turn on the iPads. Hello, Mr. iPad. Wake up. Be right back. Okay, so here's EUCON. I removed all devices, and now I'm going to add the S1. And I'm going to link the Samsung to the S1. And I am going to add the dock. And I'm going to add the iPad as the master control surface. So they're all there. All right. So next up, I will start Pro Tools. All right, I just started Pro Tools and started a session, new session, nothing in it yet. Nothing going on down here. There's no tracks, anything set up yet. So let's create manually a new track. Oh, my furnace is going to come on in a second, so you'll hear a hum. New track. And we'll create a simple audio track. Boom, a new track there. And if we look at tracks here, we don't see anything. What's going on there? That's unusual. pause for a second. Oh, I think I see what I did wrong here. Hold on. Since I deleted all my preferences, I guess I have to go back in and re-enable EUCON and all that kind of stuff. So let me do that and I'll be back. Yeah, duh. Sure enough, since I deleted all my preferences, this was no longer enabled, so I'm going to click on EUCON surfaces. Okay. Configuring EUCON. Alright, now things are back to where they should be. Come on. Alright, so I see a track there, I see a track there. Great. Alright, so just to recap, I enabled EUCON, or EUCON, or whatever you want to call it, and this Samsung tablet is linked to the S1, and I've created one track, and that one track shows up here. Great. Over here, I am in mixer mode, and that one track's showing up here, and I can control it all. See, look, ooh, yeah, we're all talking to each other, yeah, we're having fun, we're having a good time. All right, but let's see. My original problem was the soft keys. So, soft key, click, and here we go, our home page for our soft keys. This is where I was running into the trouble if you watch the other video. So let's do exactly that. Let's just go right there. Why waste time? Elastic properties. All right, I'm in my elastic property, page 69. Let me go home. No, go home. No, go home. Same thing. I just wasted an hour. But if I hit this undefined thing, guess what? We go home. We're home again. Elastic properties, go home. No, go home. Come on, why not? ET want to go home. If I go down here, sure. And we can do the whole same trick with bringing up this nothing's changed. So I appreciate the advice to delete preferences and try again, but unfortunately, if I go to, what is this page? Elastic properties, page 69. And go over here to page 69. See? Home should be here. Let's, for kicks, let's assign this one. See what happens here if we say we want, wait, what should I want it to do? Wait. Command should be touchscreen, jump to page 1. Alright. Command, add new, surface, no, I guess not surface, econ. Hold on. Sorry, I had to pause for a bit because I was seeing some just very disappointing things. Not that they changed after what I just had done, but I didn't realize the extent to which none of these keys really maps what they're supposed to be doing. Very disappointing. And of course, I will be posting this, and hopefully somebody can figure all this stuff out. I mean, there's just something not right. So I have a one-track session, project, whatever you want to call it. And down here I have my, you can see on the S1, everything's linked and talking to each other, so it's not, it's not a hardware problem, right? So, and all right, so, but you tell me if I'm crazy. What should happen? Let's say I push menu. What do you think should happen? It goes to page 6, which is menu. Okay, I like that. Let's say I want to go to file. Nothing. Nothing happens. What's supposed to happen? I don't even know what's supposed to happen, but you think something would happen. Let me go to edit. Nothing. Pro Tools. Nothing. None of these buttons are doing anything. Oh, wait, that one did. Let me go back. I can't go back using this, but I think if I use this magical corner, I can go back. Oh, look. So menu, what was on? Edit? Nothing. View? Nothing. File? Nothing. Edit, 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 nothing. View? Track? Nothing. Clip? Nothing. Event? Ah, here we go. Event. It takes me to page 75, and I hit menu. Nothing going on. And trust me, I'm looking at all my other monitors to see if windows are popping up in other places. Nothing's happening. So we go home. Oh, I can't go home, can I? But I can go home if I go over here. All right, now I'm back home. So I don't know what's supposed to happen when you hit menu. Is it supposed to show the screen? And if so, page 6. So let's go over to the app and see what's supposed to happen when you go to page 6. Yeah, I think that looks like it's supposed to be the right thing. And it says, let's say I wanted to go to, if I clicked on File, what should happen? The command here is supposed to be jump to page 76. Okay. And I hit File here. Nothing. It ain't going nowhere. We're not doing anything. But let's see for kicks what's page 76 supposed to look like. It's supposed to jump to page 76, which would show us, oh, all this great file stuff. Yay! That's probably what we want if we hit File. But it doesn't do that. It doesn't do that at all. Right? I hit File, and it's like I don't want to do anything. Let's go back to page 6 and assign this to. Let's just recreate this. So it's supposed to jump to page 76. Okay, good enough. So let's go back to page. What is this? Page 6 here, and let's assign this button here. Oh, well, it wants to do something else. That button wasn't supposed to do anything. That's crazy. So what was that again? Menu. No. All right, File. All right, File's supposed to take us from page 6 to page 76. So let's rewrite that just for kicks. I'm gonna eat dinner pretty soon, but just for kicks. If we go to page 6, let's just assign, how about this one underneath it? Right, let's assign that one to do that. And let's add a command, add new, and we're gonna go page and tell it to go to '76, right? 76. All right, and let's save that. So look, even there, it shows we get a new command. And that command is go to page 76. Yes. So I'm going to close this up. And so now go home, go to menu again, and look, it even added it. Look how nice that was. It added that thing I just added. Jump to page 76. What? You don't want to do that? Why not? Why don't you want to do that? That's not very nice. Let's go home. Oh, wait, that's right. We can't go home there. We got to go home over here. Anyway, you can see this is all messed up. So let me know your thoughts.